Here we have the 8 tips that will save you financially in this politically unstable period. In between the politics of Donald Trump and Joe Biden, you should manage your finances accordingly by following these tips. Watch this video till the end because all the tips are important for you to know. Now let's start. Number 1. Spread out your investments. It is essential to diversify your investments in today's unpredictable political climate in order to minimize risk and maximize returns. By diversifying your investments, you can effectively distribute your assets among various asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. This strategy helps minimize the risk associated with relying too heavily on a single market or political outcome. For a well-rounded investment strategy, it's worth considering a combination of low-risk assets such as bonds, high-yield savings accounts, or money market funds, along with higher-risk assets like stocks, real estate, and commodities. Furthermore, consider diversifying your investments by exploring international markets, including both developed and emerging markets. This can help you tap into potential growth opportunities beyond the borders of the United States. Additionally, you may want to explore alternative investment options such as gold, cryptocurrencies, or peer-to-peer lending in order to enhance the diversification of your portfolio. By diversifying your investments, you can navigate through periods of political uncertainty and market volatility, safeguarding your long-term financial goals. Number 2. Establish a safety net for unexpected expenses. In today's unpredictable political climate, it's crucial for Americans to prioritize building an emergency fund. This will safeguard your financial well-being against unforeseen events like job loss, medical emergencies, or economic downturns. It is advisable to have a savings account that allows easy access to funds, such as a high-yield savings account or a money market fund. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. To effectively build your emergency fund, it's important to establish a clear objective and streamline your savings process. One way to do this is by setting a specific goal and automating your savings through regular transfers from your checking account. It may be beneficial to reevaluate your spending habits, consider selling any unnecessary belongings, or explore additional income opportunities to enhance your savings. It is important to maintain a separate emergency fund from your regular savings and investments. It is advisable to refrain from using this fund for non-essential expenses. By establishing an emergency fund, you can create a safety net for your finances, providing peace of mind during periods of economic and political instability and economic uncertainty. Now subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. Number 3. Optimize your tax-advantaged account. It is important to prioritize tax-advantaged accounts in order to maximize your savings and investments, especially given the current unstable political climate and the possibility of tax reforms or economic changes. Consider using tax-deferred accounts such as 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA to save for retirement, and health savings accounts, HSAs, for medical expenses. It is highly recommended to contribute as much as you can, especially if your employer offers matching funds. Additionally, if you are eligible, you should consider making catch-up contributions. Consider utilizing 529 plans for education expenses and flexible spending accounts, FSAs, for healthcare costs. By strategically utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, you can minimize your tax burden, accelerate the growth of your savings, and establish a solid financial foundation to navigate through periods of political uncertainty and economic fluctuations. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your contributions is essential for maximizing the benefits of these tax-advantaged opportunities. Number 4. Focus on paying off debts with high interest rates. Eliminating high interest debt is crucial in the current unpredictable political landscape to alleviate financial burdens and brace for economic uncertainties. It is important to prioritize paying off high interest debts, such as credit card balances, as quickly as you can. Make sure to pay more than the minimum payment each month. It may be beneficial to consolidate your debt into a loan or balance transfer credit card with a lower interest rate. Additionally, reducing your expenses can help you allocate more money towards paying off your debt. Eliminating high-interest debt can help safeguard your finances against interest rate increases, economic downturns, and political uncertainty. This will enable you to establish a more solid financial base and work towards important long-term objectives, like saving for retirement or purchasing a home. By prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debt, you can achieve greater financial flexibility and enjoy a sense of security even during uncertain times. Number 5. Consider investing in defensive sectors. Considering the current volatile political climate, it would be wise for American investors to focus on defensive sectors. These sectors have historically shown resilience during economic downturns and periods of geopolitical uncertainty. Defensive sectors encompass healthcare, consumer staples, utilities, and telecommunications. These sectors offer essential goods and services that maintain their demand regardless of political developments. Consider investing in these sectors through index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks of companies with solid financials and competitive advantages. Some examples include pharmaceutical companies, food and beverage manufacturers, and electric utilities. Investing in defensive sectors can help diversify your portfolio and minimize the impact of market volatility. This can provide a more stable financial foundation to navigate through periods of political instability and economic uncertainty. Number 6. Consider implementing dollar cost averaging as a strategy. Investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance, is a strategy that can help reduce timing risks and prevent emotional decisions. Investing consistently and objectively in today's unstable political climate can help you navigate market volatility and political uncertainty. If you want to make the most of dollar cost averaging, establish a fixed investment amount and stick to a consistent schedule for investing. This could be on a monthly or quarterly basis. It's important to diversify your portfolio by including a mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. By taking advantage of lower prices during market downturns and avoiding overinvesting during market upswings, you can reduce the overall cost per share and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals, even in the face of political instability. Number 7. Consider exploring alternative sources of income. Exploring different income sources is essential in the current unpredictable political environment. It allows you to broaden your income streams and decrease dependence on a single source, like a job or investment portfolio. Consider exploring alternative income sources such as stocks that pay dividends, real estate investment trusts, REITs, peer-to-peer lending, royalties, and engaging in a side hustle or freelance work. When considering alternative income sources, it's important to assess your skills, interests, and resources. By exploring options that align with your goals and risk tolerance, you can make informed decisions. By diversifying your income streams, you can enhance your ability to navigate through periods of political uncertainty, economic downturns, and job market fluctuations. This approach will provide you with a more solid financial foundation and a sense of security. In addition, diversifying your income streams can help protect against inflation, currency devaluation, and other economic risks, strengthening your financial stability. Number 8. Stay focused on your long-term objective. Emphasizing long-term goals is crucial in the current uncertain political landscape to stay on track financially and not be swayed by short-term market fluctuations and political chatter. When it comes to planning for the future, it's important to have a clear vision of your long-term goals. This could include things like saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education. Now, if you are watching till here, then watch the video appearing on the left side to know the secrets of the millionaires and also subscribe to our channel. In that video, we have discussed many crucial insights and facts which you should know.